When you feel that tickle in your nose, it's your body's way of signaling it needs to clear out irritants. You might think it's a good idea to hold that sneeze in, but here's the truth. When you suppress a sneeze, you're trapping a powerful rush of pressure. Instead of escaping, that pressure can force its way back into your ears, throat, and sinuses, leading to some serious health risks. We're talking about potential ear damage, burst blood vessels, or even throat injuries. In rare cases, it can tear delicate tissues in your neck. So what should you do? The best option is to let that sneeze out. If you want to be considerate, simply sneeze into your elbow or grab a tissue. Just remember, never completely block it. Embrace the sneeze safely. It's a natural part of your body's defense system.